guys, I know I did the last time I told you about Austin and Ally. So now I'm gonna continue on that. So I'm gonna start with saying that about season 3, it's crazy and a lot of crazy things happen on season 3. And one of the episodes I had watched on YouTube, so hold on, I'm trying to look for something. Let me see. Because the last time I did the continuation on it, so now I'm doing the finish of season 3. I know y'all happy, so hold on, look for it. I know it. The new episode of Austin Alley is Road Trip and Reuse. A reunion. I know you think I'm being a little quiet because I'm looking for it. Don't worry, I'll see it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the video that I was talking about. Okay, so what it's saying that one of the episodes that it says that while Des is talking on his phone, Dallas sees Austin and Ally in the food court under the umbrella kissing. So he became jealous because he wanted to go and step on Austin's foot, on Austin's toes, but he didn't. He stepped on Ally's. So he stepped on her. And then, and then after that, there's on Trish, their daughter, Superman, and they had this one photo shoot that they had to kiss on. And so it eventually had to end up on in the shoot. So then Dallas apologizes to Austin for being jealous because for at least for setting on his toes because he was jealous because when Austin and Ally aren't dating in season 3, he got mad and because he and Ally never had their first kiss yet, so he was pretty mad. And so he was pretty mad before, but now he apologized and he's calm and everything. And then at the end, he saw it ends. So they have Ally, Trish, and also Cassie comes back too. But Cassie comes and sings with Ally, and Chris, and they sing this song from this old show. Hope y'all guys, some of y'all remember it. It's the Solo Club when they sing Hello World, and right now I'm gonna look for the song. So, hold on. So now I'm gonna look for the song, so hold on. 1 sec. If some of y'all remember the song, if some of y'all remember it, that's good. I do. I used to watch the show a lot, so I know it. And I'll play you the song right now. I think so. I'm gonna use my Kindle. So here it is.
Hello world, I should be.
If some of y'all remember it, then you know what I'm talking about. This is what Trish, Allie, and Cassidy sings at the end.
Hello world, this is me. I should be. Yeah, fun for everyone. Hello world, come and see. This is me. Come on, baby, don't be afraid. Come on, baby, it's not too late. Say you do. Won't you open up the door and let me in? This is me. That should be. Yeah, fun for everyone. Hello world, come and see. That should be fun for everyone. Every now and then I'm insecure. Let me show you love and be so good. Seize the day when a big happy smile on your face. Look into my eyes and tell me straight. For you I'll make the whole world wait. Let me know if it's so, let it show. Hello world, this is me. That should be. Yeah, fun for everyone. Hello world, come and see. This is me. Come on, baby, don't be afraid. Come on, baby, it's not too late. Say it too. Won't you open up the door and let me in? This is me. That should be. Yeah, fun for everyone.
This is the full song, so I'm playing it. That's why it's very so long.
That should be fun for everyone. Hello world, this is me. That should be fun for everyone.
Yes, and that was Hello World from the Saddle Club song that Trish, Allie, and Cassidy sing. So, yeah, that's what happens. And on that note, that's how that episode goes. And they have more episodes, but I'm going to tell you on the next video. So, I'm going to tell you on the next video when I post it tomorrow. Or one day of the week I'll post it. So, anyways, that's it. Bye!